Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 2 won't charge at all, you're not alone. This problem can occur due to a faulty battery or issues with the charging port. If left unattended, it may lead to further complications, such as complete device failure, so it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a new battery, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static damage. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your Lenovo Yoga 2. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or the casing itself. Once open, locate the battery. It's typically situated near the bottom half of the device, secured by screws. Carefully unscrew the screws using your screwdriver, and disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and place it in the same position. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard and ensure it's secure. Once this is done, replace the screws to hold the battery in place. Before sealing the device, double-check that no cables are pinched or damaged. Now, carefully press the back cover onto the device, ensuring it clicks back into place all around. Finally, power on your Lenovo Yoga 2 to verify that the charging issue has been resolved. If you notice it still won't charge, it may be best to consult a professional. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure that you regularly clean the charging port and avoid using incompatible chargers. This will help maintain the health of your battery and charging system. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.